Hello student of class 8, let's continue our chapter combustion and fossil fuel. Already in the last class we have discussed about the coal and different types of coal, and we also have come to know that out of different types of coal, in some coal carbon constitute is more and in some coal carbon constitute is less. So the coal where carbon constitute is more, that is considered the best coal, and in any coal where carbon composition is less, then we can say it is the lower quality of coal. So now we can distill the coal. Distillation process also we can apply on coal and we can make it better. Okay, so coal is actually processed in industry to get some useful product. For example, we get coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coal, when heated in the absence of oxygen, undergoes destructive distillation to give the products discussed below. So one product from coal, by the distillation process we can make it coke. It is hard, it is porous, it is solid product, and it is obtained from the distillation of coal. Here carbon composition is more, so we can say it is rich in carbon, and whenever it burn it gives very less smoke. It is used in extraction of iron in blast furnace, for manufacture of steel, and for cooking and heating we use this. Another product by the distillation of coal we can get, that is coal tar, and it is one of the byproduct obtained when coal undergoes destructive distillation. It is thick, viscous, liquid. It is used in the manufacturing insecticide, pesticide, drug and explosive, and sometimes for road also we built by using this coal tar. Another byproduct from the distillation of coal we will get, that is coal gas. It is also one of the byproducts, and it is also highly inflammable gas, and it is used in commercial and for domestic fuel. Petroleum is another fossil fuel. Petroleum is a dark color, thick oil found deep below underground rocks. The word petroleum is a combination of two words. Petra meaning rocks and oleum means oil. So that means oil which is extracting from inside the rock surface. Petroleum is not single compound. It is complex mixture of chemical compounds called hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are the compounds made only carbon and hydrogen. For example, methane is a hydrocarbon because the formula of methane is CH4. Here carbon and hydrogen both present. So remember student, in petroleum, whenever we say about petroleum, it comes everything: petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax, naphtha. So in all product, one thing is common everywhere, that is called hydrocarbon. Methane composition is more everywhere. So methane is a hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon is present in petroleum. Petroleum was also formed more than 300 million years ago, and it is believed that tiny plants and sea creatures that died millions of years ago sank to the bottom of the sea. Their dead remains were covered with soil and mud due to high pressure, temperature, and the action of bacteria. In the absence of oxygen, the dead remains covered into petroleum. The petroleum thus formed was trapped between the impervious rocks, forming the oil deposit. Petroleum also we can go for refining. To find oil and natural gas, companies drill through earth to the deposit deep below its surface. Oil and natural gas are then pumped from below the ground by oil rigs. The petroleum then travels through pipelines or by ship for refining. So every petroleum product you can see have different boiling point. So for example, you see how the fractional distillation take place. Crude oil, from the crude oil we can extract the petrol. So depending on different boiling point, we extract different petroleum product.